Happy Friday. I've been up for a while, just chilling out, trying to get some things figured out. Having a hard time doing it, so I'm frustrated big time. Getting ready to do laundry. I have to eat some Little Cecil's pizza. Probably gonna watch a movie while I do laundry, and hopefully edit a little bit later. But I haven't edited yet today, which is okay with me. Man, those fireworks going off. Do you hear that? I have really no plans for tonight. I was gonna go to a Tin Caps game last night, but I didn't, so I don't know. I totally forgot about it because I was so busy editing. But anyway, I think I'm gonna go in. I started taking a shower or nothing, but I'm doing laundry and all that, and I'm just kind of nothing going on. So I decided to go on my walk, and I walked at the gas station again while I inhaled the bug. Remember, there's all kinds of sirens going on. Just going through. I don't know, it's kind of down today. Okay guys, check this out. That looks so good. Look at this. It looks so good. Okay guys, I haven't had one of these in a long time. Is it Brownie Battle or Brownie? I think they gave me a Brownie Bubble. No. I don't think they did, but it doesn't taste like Brownie Battle. Okay guys, so that was pretty good. No Brownie Battle, just brownie chunks. Well, it wasn't even, it was good, but I even had to ask them if it was a brownie or Brownie Blizzard or Brownie Battle, and they said Brownie Battle, so I don't know, I'm going to do a review on it sometime in the future. This is what I'm talking about, guys. The weather was absolutely perfect. No sweatshirt on, no nothing. Feels so good. This is a firehouse right by where I live. Pretty nice. Anyway, that Brownie Battle, it just wasn't Brownie Battle, it was brownies. Unbelievable. It was brownies, it was good, but it was Brownie Battle. All there was brownies. Brownie chunks. Might as well call it a Brownie Blizzard. But I liked it, you know, but okay, whatever. Today's just been kind of rough. I'm just sad, I don't know. See, when it starts becoming fall, I get sad. Get kind of depressed. Not good. Oh yeah, just got a warm-up. There's the warm-up sign. I always have to point it out, you know that. It was good to catch up with a friend up here. Not gonna lie, I've had an absolutely mind-numbing day. It's not, you know, like I said, I'm gonna vlog the down moments too, and this is most definitely a down moment. Today has not been my friend. It just hasn't. Let me say this though, I will say this. I'm extremely, very thankful for my health, my life, my friends, my close friends. I'm thankful for you guys. I'm thankful for what God's given me, you know, what talent I do have. You know, I'm thankful for everything I have. But still, you know, I'm struggling today. Absolutely no doubt about it. I don't know if the fall type weather's intensifying it, because that happens every year. A lot of people, it does, you know. I don't know what it is, but, you know, I'm questioning some relationships. I'm questioning my direction in life, what I'm doing. It's unbelievable. Yesterday I felt pretty good. You know, I felt good pretty much all week. I'm struggling. You know, I'm questioning. Like I said, and I say it in a mean way, but I love everybody, and I'm just giving advice. It's important to have a very close, secure inner circle of people in your life. And I've always had everybody in my life, but I've also had an inner circle. But man, I tell you, you really better make sure that you surround yourself with people who believe, inspire, encourage you. And you know, this is coming from the bottom of my heart. I think it's important. But I also think it's important to be there for everybody no matter what. You know, try to love people as much as you love yourself no matter what. Even if and I'm not singling anybody out. I'm not talking about anything in particular, but love people who you know, who have the wrong intentions or motives or, you know, and stuff like that, you know. Love them too, but if you have negativity in your life, most definitely cut it out. I've been blabbing a while, but I know the last vlog I said heart to heart, but I will admit I need a moment with you guys, and this is what it is. It's the moment. And so I'm going to go ahead and that's what I'm going to call this, you know. I'm going to open it up and talk to you guys. It's difficult when it starts to get cold out and you adjust to the different weather, and then things start to slow down. It's an adjustment for me, and you're seeing it, you know. So this has been a very long rant, and I'm going to stop now, but hopefully we can have another talk at some point. Sorry if I've been talking a lot and being serious a lot. Just can't help it. It's my current state, and I'm gonna vlog the good, bad, and ugly. You know, that's all there is to it. You know, everybody has down days. I'm having another down day, and that's just how it is. I'm gonna head home now.